Good morning. I am here to explain about Thales Theorem. If a straight line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides proportionally. Let us consider a triangle ABC. Let DE parallel BC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. Next, we want to write what we want to prove. According to the statement, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. To prove this theorem, we need a little construction. Join D and C, E and B. Draw EL perpendicular to AB and DL perpendicular to AC. Next step is proof. According to the formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 into base into height, area of triangle ADB by area of triangle BDB equal to 1 by 2 into AD is base and into EL. EL is height, and in triangle BDE 1 by 2 into DB, it is base and EL is height. We need to cancel the similar terms. 1 by 2 cancel and 1 by 2. Put equation number 1. Similarly, in area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE equal to 1 by 2 into AE. AE is base and DN is height by 1 by 2 to EC. EC is base and DN is height. We need to cancel the similar terms here also. 1 by 2 cancel, 1 by 2 cancel, DN cancel, DN cancel. Equal to AE by EC. We call it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is because area of